Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the PokeBall token using Pancakeswap and Trust Wallet. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to purchase BNB, transfer the BNB from Binance over to your Trust Wallet, and then purchasing PokeBall with Pancakeswap. And just to let you guys know as well, I do have daily cryptocurrency videos on my channel. So if you guys are interested in the new cryptocurrencies and how to purchase them, I'd really recommend subscribing to my channel. As like I said, I'll have daily videos. Now I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to purchase this token. So just make sure you guys follow along and stay tuned as we go through step by step. So the first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort, and then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that, or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words, or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain, or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now, I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now, what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network, and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And once you guys have your BNB over on your Smart Chain wallet on your Trust Wallet, all you guys have to do is add the PokeBall token to your Trust Wallet. And to do that, I'll have a link in the description as well as in the comment section, just over to CoinMarketCap, where you guys will get the link for the contract address. So we can just go over to our link now. And you should be on CoinMarketCap right here where the PokeBall price is. You just want to scroll down and go beside where it says contracts and just click on the copy button beside the contracts. Once you guys copy that, you want to go over to Trust Wallet and open that up. You then want to navigate to the top right of your screen where you see the 2 lines and the 2 circles. Click on that, and then click on where it says search, and just paste that address in the top here. Once you guys do that, you want to go ahead and enable, and then click on done. Once you guys are done doing that, you need to make sure you guys have the browser at the bottom of your screen there as a button option. If you guys don't have the browser button there, you guys have to enable your dApps browser. And to do that, I'll have a second link in the description as well as in the comment section below. It'll just bring you guys over to the Trust Wallet website. And basically, it's going to show you how to enable your dApps browser. And to do that, you just want to scroll down on the website here, click on this link, and then it'll open up this pop-up here that you have to open. And it'll automatically open up your Trust Wallet. And then you will see your browser there again. And once you guys have the browser option on the bottom of your screen here, you guys go ahead into the browser and you want to go over to Pancakeswap. Now, if this is your first time on Pancakeswap, you want to make sure you guys have your wallet connected. And to do that, go to the top of the screen. You should see the button that says connect. Click on that, then click on Trust Wallet, and then you will see your wallet ID there. Once you have that connected, you should automatically be on this exchange here. And you just got to make sure that your balance for your BNB is in here. For whatever reason, if you've transferred BNB over to Trust Wallet and it's not in here, just ensure that it's in your Smart Chain wallet, not your BNB wallet. If you put it in your BNB wallet by mistake, you can go ahead over to your BNB wallet, click on the dots, and then click on Transfer or Swap to Smart Chain. It will then transfer it to your Smart Chain wallet, and the balance will then show in here when you're in exchange. Anyhow, once you guys are ready to go to purchase your PokeBall token, you want to go ahead and click on Select a Currency, and you want to paste that same address that we got from CoinMarketCap in here as well, and it will just tell you found by address Poke. So you can just go ahead and click on add, and then click on the coin. And then all you guys have to do is change your slippage tolerance to 12%. And to change your slippage tolerance to 12%, you just want to go beside where it says exchange, click on those 3 lines, and then change your slippage tolerance to 12%. Once you do that, you just have to decide how much BNB that you guys want to transfer over into the PokeBall token. So let's just say if you wanted to do 1 coin, you can go ahead and type in 1 BNB. Then we'll show you the amount of Pokeball that you will get in exchange for that. Now, once you guys are done doing that, and if you're happy with your exchange, you can just go ahead on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It might just tell you to swap or confirm here, and then it will show you a more broken down version of your transaction, showing you your exchange rates and your fees and things like that. So just make sure you guys are comfortable and understand that before you go ahead and click on confirm. Now, one thing I like to point out as well is if this 12% slippage tolerance doesn't work for you, you could try and play around with it. You could try 5% and 10% as well. I've had all 3 work for me in the past. I just have 12% working more commonly, at least for me. Anyways, if you're happy with everything that you guys see, you can go ahead and click on confirm on that last page, and then you will have your Pokeball in your wallet here. It should just take a couple minutes depending on the liquidity, but most of the time it does only take a couple minutes. And then you should have your Pokeball in your wallet here. Anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to buy the Pokeball token on Pancakeswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.